Earth's climate zones.
What are climate zones? Climate zones are areas with distinct climates. These zones might correspond to weather patterns, latitude, or communities of plants and animals. There are many climate classification systems which define zones based on different climatic factors or combination of factors. There are approximately 5 main climates types on Earth, namely tropical, dry, temperate, continental, and polar climate.
Tropical climate. Tropical climates are caused by the uneven distribution of solar energy. As our planet rotates around the sun, the equator receives more direct sunlight than other areas. This abundance of solar energy is essentially the driving force behind tropical climate. In the Western Hemisphere, tropical countries include Mexico, all of Central America, all of the Caribbean islands from just south of Nassau in the Bahamas, and mainly in Southeast Asia. Dry climate. Deserts and steppes comprise the regions that are characterized by dry climates. These are arid and semi-arid areas that have 3 main characteristics: very low precipitation, high evaporation rates that typically exceed precipitation, and wide temperature swings, both daily and seasonally. Dry climates are found throughout the globe, particularly in Western North America, Southern North America, Australia, Central and Southern Africa, and much of Asia.
Temperate climate. The temperate zone mainly lies between the tropics and the polar regions. It experiences a wide range of temperatures and precipitation where 4 distinct seasons are common. Regions that are covered exclusively in the temperate zone include the continental US, most of Canada and Europe, Central Asia, Southern South America, and Southern Australia.
Continental climate. Areas with continental climates have colder winters, long-lasting snows, and shorter growing seasons. They are the transition zones between mild and polar climates. Continental climates experience extreme seasonal changes. The continental type of climate dominates a giant share of Europe, covering northern Ukraine, eastern Belarus, Russia, most of Finland, and northern Sweden.
Regions that experience polar climates cover at least 20% of the Earth's surface and are situated at higher latitudes, especially near the North and the South Poles. However, no clear boundaries exist to mark the location of polar climate regions. The lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth was negative 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, measured at the Vostok Station in Antarctica, which is a region with a polar climate. The following countries that have polar climates, including Russia, Canada, Finland, United States, Sweden, Iceland, United Kingdom, and Denmark.
In essence, climate zones are a conceptual manifestation of the different climates that exist in our world. Understanding what a climate zone is begins with understanding the differences in temperature, precipitation, plants, and animals that make up one of these zones. The more we learn about a specific climate zones, the better we can understand the plants, animals, and conditions that thrive in that zone.